So this is where we're going to put our outdoor shower. It's going to be 10 by 5. So it'll have a little dressing bench city down area. Then you'll walk around the wall to the shower end of it.
Yeah, so this wood here was from an old deck my dad tore out. These are the decking boards. And these will mostly be the side boards. And it was free. And then this wood was old trusses that a friend of ours in Cave City gave us. They've been laying out in the field, so they're not wonderful like to hold a lot of weight, but they'll work to frame the system. So we'll have it 5 feet wide, 10 feet long. There'll be a shower area back here, and then a small wall and a 3-foot dressing area here, and then a 3-foot entrance over there. So you'll come in and have your shower back here, the dressing area, and an entrance. And we're hoping that we get enough sunlight to heat up the water. May have to trim a few limbs.
But in the summertime, it's when we're going to use it, we would not want too hot of a shower.
No, and
Yeah.
you know, tepid water's fine.
Yeah, it's good.
But we're using recycled resources to build as much as is possible. We did have to buy the deck block that I bought last week, and I have some 4x4s by 5 foot long that I got in the Dallas area about 1.5 years ago for $2.50 each. So
Then we have that wood back there that we're going to use for the benches.
yeah, this was found wood from East Texas. A friend of mine gave me a bunch of wood. So that's 2x10. Might be 2x12. Yeah. Yeah, it's what they call 2x12. It's actually a little over 11. So that'll be our benches. So really, very little investment. We got about $60 in deck blocks, and we'll have about $10 in 4x4s. And then whatever we do to make the shower with. Years ago, I developed a camping shower, and I sold these quite a bit at women's festivals. And this case actually opens up and becomes a platform you stand on, and inside the case is some rebar and some PVC pipe you just put together. And you lay this out flat, put the rebar on all 4 corners, assemble the PVC, and put the little shower curtain around it. And it has one of those plastic shower bags.
Okay, let's explain the lines.
So, we want it to, it's probably going to be Sanford and Son, but we want it to look decent and be as square as possible. So I ran these lines, and then where they intersected, I made sure the outside lines were exactly the right width. And where they intersected, we measured from the intersection that corner to that corner, and then this corner to this corner. And if the measurement is the same, then it's square. I used a little old sheetrock square to get this corner as close as I could, and then off of that I marked everything else. So now I'm going to put down some black plastic to prevent these green things from growing up, and then I'm going to start bringing in gravel. I cut all the weeds that were in the way back, and we put down black plastic, and now we're going to start bringing in gravel. Okay, we got the first supports and frame up. We got all the blocks leveled, except for the middle one. We ain't done that yet, right there. And now we're going to put poles on that end and in the middle and run the support that way. Okay, we have the basic frame up. The entrance will be over here. You can see we put 2x6s inside and then use 5/4 for the outside. And then tomorrow we'll line this other block up and put it together, and that'll be our bench will go here. But this is the basic shape. These are just temporary walls, but I'm going to get a shower. And there's 2 bags if you care to get a shower. And there are 2 5-gallon water bags. A pad to stand on. This is our outside shower. The plan is to take these cedar cuts, all these cedar cuts, and put them along the sides. I'm going to need more of them. Our closest friend, Jeff, cuts down cedar and makes things out of them. These are the offcuts. You know, that has the outside bark on one side and the pretty cedar on the end. So this will be on the inside of the walls, this cedar. But we don't have enough yet. We probably have enough to go about halfway up one side. It won't take long. We'll get enough. But that's the outdoor shower. As you can tell, I have not put the cedar walls on the outdoor shower. However, we are using it quite a bit, and so are the spiders. There's a big web right there. But anyway, we moved it from this corner to this corner because you get more direct sunlight. I changed out the head to a rain shower head and put a little shower caddy in here. Of course, you still have the same floorboard and little chair over here. But this is how well it works. I'm just gonna pull. Look at that. Pretty neat.